in the picture shown to us, I saw a character plucking the fruits. I perceive the character is female, age around 20 and mood is positive. And my story goes like this. Richa is a class 12 student living in a village. Every summer she had lots of mango trees in her garden. Every summer she used to distribute trees to her neighborhoods and villagers. This time she thought that I should sell these mangoes to the market. But it was very difficult for her as her village was very far away from the market. She came to know through internet that there are many online platforms through which she can directly sell the fruits and vegetables. She convinced her idea to the villagers and farmers. Initially they denied the plan, but finally she was able to convince them. So she made contact with the online platforms and they came to her village and villagers were able to sold their fruits and vegetables. So in this way, Richa and her villagers were able to make directly contact with the market and they earned their money for their hard work. Thank you.
Friends, what I saw in the picture is one character that is female, age is 16 and her mood is positive. So Veera, she as her mother said to bring some sweet fruits from the tree. She was plucking the fruits and she saw beside the dog was barking. So she was not aware that a tiger was sleeping on the compound. The tiger, as her village was near the forestal area, the tiger ate some of the sheep and it was having a rest. And just looking at the dog, she thought that it is giving some kind of a response that something is going around, and she thought that and suddenly she came to know that tiger is beside. So she took a forward step. She called the forest officer and she took the decision like what she can do further, and she called the rescue team how they can take away that tiger from the village. Thank you.
Hi friends, in the picture I saw one character, she is a female and she is plucking the mangoes and her mood is positive and her age group is 70. My story as follows. Sai Lakshmi is a 17 years old girl. She is living in a village and she is from a poor family background. And she completed her high secondary education and she wanted to do graduation. Her parents can't able to afford the financial expenses of a graduation. They demotivated her to not to join for graduation. But she firmly decided she wanted to do graduation. She found a way for meet the expenses. Her family is based on farming, and she saw there are so many mango trees near in her farm. In vacation time, the mango will bloom, and she plucked the mangoes and she used to sell it in the market, and she used to gain money from that for joining graduation. And meanwhile, she helped the parents for farming also, and she got the money for joining in the graduation, and she finally got admission in the government arts science college for a BSc computer science. And meanwhile in holidays she helped her parents, and she was so happy that he got admission in government college because she can afford the expenses. And she completed her graduation, and in that year she got placed in an IT company, and that helped others to motivate to join, motivate to continue their graduation, and it helped the family and as well as the neighbors also. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen and ladies. In the picture, I perceived two characters. Both of them were male and they are in a positive mood. Ranjit, the person who is peeping from the window, is my central character, and my story goes like this. Ranjit is a young computer engineer who is much interested in gardening and petting. During a month of the May, when a 15-year-old boy was trying to pluck mangoes from his tree, unaware of the dog inside the compound, suddenly the dog started barking at him. Seeing this, Ranjit stopped the dog and called the boy to him. And he told that you can take the mangoes and you should also share this with your friends. And he also insisted to plant a sampling tree, means a new tree, a small tree, to the child. By offering mangoes to him, he insisted to plant a new tree. Thank you.
Friends, what I see in the picture is a young girl standing behind the mango tree and a dog and a tiger on the well. My character name is Shruti, and her age is 18 years and her mood is positive. My story goes on like this. Shruti, a young village girl, goes daily to the well to fetch water. One day, she goes to the well and suddenly saw a tiger sleeping on the top of the well. She don't know what to do, and she stood behind the mango tree, and suddenly a dog crossed by. The dog started barking while seeing the tiger. So due to the sound of the dog, all the village men and women came to the place and noticed the tiger is sleeping. As soon as the tiger noticed all the people saw that, the tiger ran away to the forest. After that, they arranged a meeting in a village panchayat to know what is the reason for the arrival of tiger into the village. They noticed that 40% of the forest are being cut down and there is too much of deforestation in the village. So the village panchayat decided and ordered the people to plant 10 trees per family per year. Thank you.
What I observed from the picture is that there were one man and a mango tree and a dog and a cat. And my lead character is called Arjun, and he is an architecture, and he has been in a big city for many years, and now he is coming to his village. And he was alone, and he has not got any relatives, and he is very fond of mangoes, and so that's why he plucked many mangoes from the mango tree, and he used some of the mangoes for himself, and gave some of the mangoes to the neighborhoods. And by seeing the cat and dogs which were his past pet, and he gave some food to them. Thank you.
Friends, we are mangoes or some other fruit.
Okay.
Friends, we can make a story related to the village scene because we see the village scene only. We also made a story related to the village scene, so we can make a story related to village.
I'm a girl as a heroine of our story.
That gave us good idea of the story. We have misconception because
Our team is two.
We can make, not taking the child as a hero, we can bring the hero from the outside.
We can bring the hero from outside. The girl, she's
Okay, hero or hero.
yeah. So
we can make a hero.
it's not hero that she's cutting the mangoes. We can just insist that she's a government employee and she's checking the yield in the village and she's checking the mangoes. The yield.
We can keep
Yeah.
very simple and we can think why the child is taking maybe she is hungry. That can be maybe poverty in the village can be the theme.
Okay.
Just about 21, we can make some social awareness. We can bring deforestation is a main
Nowadays, the water scarcity is the main problem in the village area. If we implement the 50%, we can make the importance of planting trees.
But we cannot say that she's touching the mangoes. So as it can be seen as she's touching the mangoes and checking their quality. So we can have a story which is having a background of increasing the yield and increasing the quality of the trees.
Okay, planting trees, we can increase in the yield. Okay.
So we can
Planting more trees gives more yield.
Yeah.
We can plant the hybrid trees and get a yield in a short period of time.
Instead of the child being checking the yield.
Okay, we'll go with just number 22 story. We can combine them actually.
Okay.
We can combine them actually.
Our
One
area
is story that is
village agriculture officer and
Yeah, village officer, we can combine plan to implement the
That officer will find the mangoes are good and give information to the village.
So the people of the village officer goes to the market for the products of the
we can have a story like officer comes to a village and he trains the villagers about the yield, and he also approaches them to and also asks them to plant more and more trees to increase their
And he
yield.
can also
Adding to the point of chess number 27, nowadays the farmers facing that one of the major issues that facing that the lack of the market. The village officer acts
So we can
promoting
I agree with your point. What is
we can also government providing the
Let's come to a common point that and also marketing.
See the quality of the mangoes or any fruits in the village. Okay, then she also she saw that there is a shortage of
Okay, as just number 22 suggested, marketing is a bit difficult. So just number 33 point out we can
I agree.
online marketing.
I agree.
We can go. We can have the officer.
Last 1 minute. Please conclude and come out.
Okay, friends. Implement the drip market, we use the national agriculture market to
come up with things like online marketing and more.
Everyone idea about the marketing to the village.
So finally we have a story which has
She came for checking in a village.
Yeah.
So he
Yeah.
she saw that there is a shortage of water in the village.
Yeah.
at the time implement the drip irrigation by using the subsidy from the government and also promote that market system.
How to sell the vegetables.
Yeah, by using the national agriculture market we can.
I will come to consensus.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, just thank you, friends, for giving this opportunity. Good afternoon, sir. Our team story is a village of our heroine is heroine name is Shruti and her age is 25. She is a village agriculture officer. She came to the village for checking the quality and quality of the vegetables and fruits which are grown in village. She noticed that there is a shortage of water facilities. She implemented the drip irrigation system, and she also gives some suggestion about marketing the vegetables and fruits which are grown in the village. Thank you.
Okay.